AI app builders are getting seriously powerful, but what about using them to build something actually practical? I'm talking about something you would actually use on a daily basis. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into enterpro. It's an AI development platform built for the vibe coding era. And here's the idea. Just describe what you want to build, and enterpro generates the app, adds features, you can edit things visually, and then just hit publish. And today, I'm going to build something visual, interactive, and practical. I'm going to build a one-click AI hairstyle changer that transforms your look instantly. So whether you just want to use this for yourself, or maybe you're a barber using it with your clients. Now, all you have to do is upload a photo or take one on the spot. Then just choose the hairstyle category, pick the vibe you're going with, choose the hair length, the color, the texture, and then from there, the app's going to show hairstyle transformations and recommendations built around that photo. Let's get started. Just head over to the link found within the description below. We're just on the homepage. All right, so all you have to do is describe what you want right here and then punch it in. Now, I do have plan mode selected right here. Plan mode is going to be super useful for a more complex build like the one we're going to do, because instead of enterpro immediately writing code, it's first going to map out the structure of the app. Now, if I wanted to take this even further, this is where I could come over to the skills system right here. Now, I already have 5 active skills enabled, but for example, this is where I could load up a beauty, styling, or e-commerce skill, so enterpro has more context. But for this first version, I'm going to keep everything as is. So let's click on exit up here. All right, here's my prompt. Feel free to pause the video. But to make a long prompt short, I want to build an interactive AI hairstyle changer web applications. But before building, create a clear plan for the app structure, main components, user flow, and any backend features we may need later. Okay, let's go ahead and punch this in. Okay, I'm being asked to choose an AI image model to use. So let's go with Nano Banana Pro. It is the recommended model. Okay, the Barber Mode feature is going to manage real client data like names, contact info, hair history, notes. Should this be protected by a login or open access? I'm going to go with the recommended option at the top. And then how should save looks be stored? Again, I'll go with the recommended option at the very top. Okay, now while enterpro is working on this version, I'm going to come over to a final version that I've been working on for a little while now. This is called Strand AI. How will you use Strand today? Choose a mode to begin. You can switch anytime. Also, notice the hair clippers cursor. I thought that's a really nice touch. Okay, first things first, let's try out Barber Mode right here. So this is a full salon toolkit, which includes express try-ons, client profiles, notes and save looks, and it's pin protected, which is really cool. Enter shop pin. This is just a safety measure, so various barbers can use this with their own code. And when they enter their code, they're going to have their own clients found within the platform. So mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. I can take a photo or I can upload. This is going to be perfect if you have a client sitting in the barber chair. Let's go with upload photo. All right, I've got my photo uploaded right here, and I can pick a bunch of different hairstyles. Let's go with Lavender Dream. This last one, it's rendering the look. Okay, here's the new lavender hairstyle with our model. So I'm just going to drag this over right here. We can reveal the hairstyle. Of course, it is the exact same person. And this is just a fantastic way to visualize any desired hairstyle. So let's say I'm super happy with this hairstyle. I can add a tag, summer 2026. Why not? I can add a note, and then I can save it to one of my clients. So I'm going to save it to client, and I'm going to add a client right here. Let's add a client. We'll call her Jen. Why not? Put a phone number in there, any notes, and add client. And our client has been added. And then if I come over to clients at the very top, here is Jen right there. And wouldn't you know it, here's the style history that we made earlier. As far as the hairstyle goes, we've got long, lavender, and layers with the tag summer 2026 right here. So as mentioned, this is going to be perfect for barbers who save various different hairstyles with their clients that they can easily access and add new ones to. Okay, let's come over to the studio mode at the very top. Here we go. Your hair reimagined. Upload a portrait and let our AI transform your hair instantly. Now, of course, the page itself is very cinematic. I've got a high quality video looping in the background with a client and a barber, and the whole experience is very aesthetic and clean. Okay, so let's do this. Drop your portrait here. Let our AI reimagine your hair with stunning results. And let's go with this image right here. I think I have a perfect candidate for the image. This is looking really good. We've got a bunch of options to choose from. We can kick things off with a curated look, kind of like a preset style. Why don't we go with Old Money Blonde? Let's do that one. So that's going to go ahead and choose a bunch of predetermined settings based on the style. Let's do that right now. Transform my look. Long honey blonde waves. Got the photo right here. And now this is my favorite part, is the before and after. You can slide this over just like this. Got the after shot. It's actually looking pretty good. Bring this back over just to compare the before and after. I can save the look, share, print the card, even cast it to the TV, try a different variation. And if I'd like to, I can add a tag, add a note, and save it to a client as well. Let's see if I can try another style with this headshot. Perfect. So it brings us back to default. And I'm going to do things completely manual now. So why don't I go with bangs, a medium cut. Let's go with this auburn red. Let's go curly, and mood. Why don't we go casual? Looks good to me. Let's transform the look. All right, here we go. We've got the wavy red hair with the bangs. This is looking fantastic. Now, this is where our platform starts to feel like a real product experience. We've created something that a user can actually interact with. And because enterpro also includes enter analytics, I can start thinking about what happens after someone uses the app. Okay, I'm just over here in the app editing mode. If I come over to the top and click here, I can come over to analytics. Okay, I just went ahead and enabled the analytics. Right here, I've got an overview of the views, the visitors, the sessions, all right here. So this is where you can track events like photos uploaded, hairstyle selected, different looks saved, when different client profiles have been assessed. We could even take things a step further and build a Barber dashboard right inside the application. So in the bottom left, I'm going to punch in this prompt: create a simple Barber dashboard that shows client profiles with service history and past looks, a curated collection of favorite styles with custom tags, recent consultation notes, total uploads, and most selected hairstyle categories. The Barber dashboard is built at /dashboard. It's now the default landing after unlocking Barber Mode. So let's do that quickly. Let's come over to Barber Mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. We've got our dashboard with our one client and our one total uploads. So that would be, of course, Jen. Let's have a look. Our client profiles right here. See, it is all right in here, just like that. Come back over to our dashboard. We can track all of our different clients, uploads, our favorites, our top style. So we can see if there's a top style that our clients are choosing, most selected category, favorite styles, custom tags, and very important, the client profiles. And click on view all right here. And we just have one so far. It is Jen. Now, as you can imagine, there's a lot of room to keep building from here. You can start simple and then keep building toward a real full stack product inside the same workspace. There's also something called Enter AI All. This gives you access to different AI models across text, code, image, video, music, and much more. Once your app is in a good place, just come over to the very top and click on Publish right here. Okay, we've got our link and it's telling me it is ready to publish the changes. And that is because my site is already live. So I'm just going to go ahead and update the changes that we made today. Okay, let's paste that link in a brand new tab. Enter, and here we go, Strand AI. Let's come over to Barber Mode. Okay, we've got our dashboard ready to go. So the changes have been made to that. Let's come over to self-service mode, and we got that very aesthetic funnel for this mode as well. All right, so today we went from a simple idea to a full-on one-click barbershop application. Added a Barber dashboard, checked out the analytics, and published the project. And that's the whole idea behind enterpro. This platform gives you one workspace to describe, build, refine, track, and publish your idea. So overall, if you have an idea for an app, landing page, tool, product, prototype, enterpro gives you a workspace to start building quickly. I'll go ahead and leave the link to enterpro in the description below. Now, if you sign up with Enter with that link, you're going to receive 200 free credits. Now, I recommend testing enterpro out with a real idea, just like the one I did today. So with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.